This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, May 14th. I'm James Spann. Moisture levels gradually rising today. Rain chances will be increasing tomorrow through the weekend, but the news is not all bad. No total washout here. Let's go in there and talk about things. First off, the water vapor satellite view. One short wave is lifting north of Alabama. Another one, a big one, moving into the Pacific coast. That's the one that's going to bring a severe weather threat to parts of the Great Plains tomorrow and Saturday. Pretty nice start to the day. Look at Fort Payne, 50. That feels pretty good for a May morning. Cullman, 55. Birmingham, 64. Will be up in the middle 80s today, about 5 degrees above average. Hey, check out those frost advisories for parts of the Great Lakes and the Northeast this morning. Not too many more of those left before the summer gets here. Other than that, things are quiet as we start the day. In terms of severe weather possibilities this afternoon and tonight, the standard slight risk over parts of West Texas. Tomorrow, Friday, a severe weather risk across the nation's breadbasket. The enhanced risk is centered over Nebraska. And Saturday, day 3, an enhanced risk of severe weather for parts of Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, South Dakota, and Iowa. A slight risk all the way from the Texas Hill Country up to the Canadian border. And then on day 4, which is Sunday, the risk moves up toward the Great Lakes. We don't see any severe weather problems for Alabama, at least for the next 7 days. And like we've talked about, it could very well be sometime in the fall before we see another really dynamic severe weather threat, or at least we hope so. Here's the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Yes, that is correct, through Tuesday morning of next week, suggesting rain amounts of about 1/2 to 1 inch here. Bigger numbers west of the state over parts of Texas and Arkansas. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 06Z run, valid today at noon. Big trough over the west coast, ridging in the east. And during the day today, the dew points begin to rise, but I think a pretty good chunk of the day will be dry. We should reach the mid-80s with a partly sunny sky. This is the high-res HRRR at 5 o'clock today, and it is showing showers around, especially to the west and south of Birmingham. So we'll mention a few showers late today, but many of you will probably not get wet. Tomorrow, 1,000 millibar low. It's east of Denver, and obviously that's a severe weather setup for parts of Nebraska and Kansas and Oklahoma, maybe North Texas, but around here, just a soupy, moist air mass. So we'll have certainly a chance of showers and storms. But it's not going to rain all day. In fact, this is the high-res NAM tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock, and it looks pretty dry. So we'll mention a few passing showers and storms tomorrow. More clouds than sun, highs at or just over 80. And really, that's the deal for the weekend. This is Saturday. We stay in very moist air. Off to the west, you can see, again, a severe weather setup for maybe Oklahoma and Kansas with a deep surface low over eastern Colorado. But for us, cloudy periods on Saturday, a few passing showers and storms. The high more than likely 80, 81, 82. And the same thing on Sunday. That deep surface low is moving up into Minnesota. The severe weather possibilities well north of the state. Around here, we'll say a mixture of clouds and sunshine with scattered showers and storms. Monday, a cold front approaches, and that might give us a little bump. This run is a little more progressive with the front, so maybe a little increase in rain activity Monday. And look at this. All of a sudden, Tuesday, we go into dry air. And if this is right, Tuesday would be mostly sunny and less humid, and Wednesday of next week looks dry at this point. We've seen some decent consistency in this idea, so we'll trend drier in the forecast for Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Week from today, this is Thursday. Again, another trough coming into California. Kind of a flat zonal flow down and through here. And again, you can see the risk of a few scattered showers returning, but probably nothing especially widespread. This is the end of the forecast. This is Saturday, May 23rd, troughing in the west. Kind of a flat ridge down here. And it's the same deal. You know, a mix of sun and clouds with a chance of a few scattered rain showers. Temperatures coming off the ensembles. Pretty warm, highs upper 80s to near 90, lows mostly in the 60s, almost all the way through the end of May. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video for me, this is a one-a-day day for us, one video today. The next video will be tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock. And if you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.